Identifying commonly encountered fruit trees by Coilantex. Apple tree. An apple tree, 15 to 30 feet in height, is deciduous and blooms in the spring, typically between April and May. It yields fruit in late summer to early fall. Pruning is best done in late winter to early spring during dormancy. As autumn approaches, the tree sheds its leaves, typically after the fruit harvest. Common pests and diseases affecting apple trees include aphids, apple maggots, powdery mildew, and apple scab.
Peach tree. A peach tree with an average height from 15 to 25 feet is deciduous and blossoms in the spring, generally in April or May. It bears fruit in late spring to early summer. Pruning is typically carried out during late winter to early spring while the tree is dormant. As autumn approaches, the tree loses its leaves. Common pests and diseases affecting peach trees include peach leaf curl, brown rot, and bacterial spot.
Orange tree. An orange tree, heights of 15 to 25 feet, is evergreen and blooms in the spring, usually between March and May. It produces fruit from late autumn to early spring. Pruning is best performed in late winter to early spring. While not fully deciduous, the orange tree may shed some leaves throughout the year. Common pests and diseases affecting orange trees include citrus leaf miners, citrus greening, citrus canker, and scale insects.
Guava tree. A guava tree, often a heights of 10 to 20 feet, is evergreen and typically flowers in the spring, generally from April to June. It yields fruit from late summer to early fall. Pruning is usually conducted in late winter to early spring. Though it remains evergreen, the guava tree may experience some leaf shedding. Common pests and diseases affecting guava trees include guava fruit flies, fruit spotting bugs, anthracnose, and powdery mildew.
Apricot tree. An apricot tree, growing to heights of 15 to 25 feet, is deciduous and bloom in early spring, usually between March and April. It bears fruit in early summer. Pruning is commonly carried out during late winter to early spring. As autumn approaches, the apricot tree sheds its leaves. Common pests and diseases affecting apricot trees include aphids, peach twig borers, brown rot, and bacterial canker.